Right, well, come on. Come and get your feet done. Quick. Come on. Come on, big fella. Come on, young Wall. Come on, do your feet. And do your feet, buddy boy. I'll set the camera up and then we'll get into it. He's had this crack for ages, if everybody remembers. And I've left it a bit long between trims, so he's starting to put a bit of pressure on it now. It'll probably break off. So I'll give him a bit of a trim and we'll see how he goes. Just a look, big fella. Pick him up for me. Come on. Come on. That's it, boy. See, it's coming away here. Doesn't need much off. Just going to hollow that out so it's got no pressure. Take the cords out here as well. Just look, Bob. Flies. Flies.
I must run away. That's that one. Let's have a look at this one. It's been months since she's been trimmed. Died. What's called a bat flattery. Well, this here's the best Wall's feet I've ever been in all the years that I've had him. 37 years old plus now. Just got a bit to do on here. I'll do his fronts because I know everybody out there's missing my trims. So I'll finish him off and wish all my subscribers and new viewers all the best for this year. Stay well, healthy and happy. This one here, well, just put yourself this here. That's all. Right. How's your frontings? Well, look. Bit long in the heel, not much. Clean it out. Didn't touch the progs, of course. Once again, a bit long in the heel, just starting to grow under a bit. Through here and do this one. This one here. Come on, this one. That's right. Similar. Get your foot in it. Steady. Well, you're looking good enough for me, bud.
So that's Wally. Hey Wall, what's you? The toothless terror. Now have a look at Baby's got to have hers done soon. She hasn't been done for weeks. Have you, sweetheart? Put that there. Can we have a look at it? No, you're not going to let me? They look like they need doing. And this little bloke, he gets done a couple of times a year, and that's about it. If I shut the gate, it'll be in like a rabbit up a drain pipe, or a rat. Yes. Stick your foot. Just look here. Yes, definitely a trim for you. And then over here, Baby's going to need a trim too, so I might actually, hello, I might actually trim these guys. Yeah, definitely need a trim now. But look at the way that hoof's come along. You'd hardly know it was only 3/4 of a hoof. So, that's it from me. That's it from him. See you next vid. Bye. Oh, bye from BB as well. Hey, bye from you. Look at these eyes. She's got BB eyes.